We're out here on our newest wholesale project. You would think that we would have had to flip it and do something. We didn't do nothing to this home. We just closed on it and we turned around and listed it a week later. We found a buyer through our agent network that really needed to close on something quickly to get into the home that he was under contract and needed to make a deal. And so we offered that to them. So if you're an agent out there and you're looking to have some kind of a solution to that type of situation, we're here to help you with that too. But let's come in and take a look at this home because it is immaculate. We love it. The old owner did the repairs over years while he lived here and kind of rehabbed this home and made it beautiful. He had planned to live here forever, but then life happened. They had a couple of children and they wanted a bigger place, and then they found their dream home, and so they put an offer in on it that was super low, and they were able to get it accepted, and they're like, holy crap, I got to be able to sell my home. So we worked with them on that and we got it done for them. And as you can see here, these appliances are upgraded, like KitchenAid appliances. They're super bougie, very, very nice. Like I said, the guy was going to live here forever. It's pretty neat. They even installed a gas stove. It's got gas out here, so something that reminds me of how I grew up, which I loved about it. And so you've got a great kitchen. And then if you come over here into the master suite, they did a good job with putting in these built-ins right here. And then you get this wonderful master bathroom that is just super chic, very cool. I would love to have something like this at my house. We're living in a renovation right now, so I know how this person feels. We are excited for it. You got a little pocket door in there. You don't want a bunch of doors when you don't have a big, master suite. This is decent size, but it's not like your normal big master. This is only about 1,264 square foot, so it's not super huge. It did have, they did enclose a garage. That's where that master suite is, and the dining room just off the kitchen. We come over here to the 2 bedrooms in the hallway. We've got a bathroom right here, so this is your second bath. Check out this tub. This thing is cool. I know Lena would love something like this. She's gonna, tell me that she wants this at our house or something, which, I'd be cool with something like this. Probably not gonna use it very much, but, it would be super nice for a guest bathroom. And then we come over here to some of the other 2 bedrooms. Decent size, as this was probably like your master back then. Closet isn't super huge, but it is definitely a nice size. Especially for children, if that's what you use it for. We found this. We were showing the house just a minute ago, and we've got hardwood floors right there. So there's some originals probably under this. So somebody could rip this all up and really bring it back to that level. Look at this wallpaper that they had in here. I thought this was a really cool look. It's got updated windows throughout the home. I mean, we didn't have to do anything. We could have painted it. But we assumed if somebody was going to paint it, like we probably painted the wrong color, so we don't want to do that. But all you men that are out there, this is what you probably are going to fall in love with. You come out here, you come into a nice little deck. Probably could extend this out if you really wanted to. Got some big old trees, but man, look at that there back there, that beautiful barn. It's got me thinking, like, what am I going to do about it? Forgot the keys, so I'm going to have to go get those and come back. But, this is a 30 by 26 barn. It's already got power to it. It's got some plumbing lines that had been run to it. It's not all hooked up or nothing, but something like that is a fantastic shop. It's got a big roll-up garage door over here, which is great if you're going to do any type of mechanical work, or you want to be able to go in and out with a small little business. If you had one, that would be great. It was funny when we came over here to get the home, or to secure the home after the old owner was here and left. We're inside taking a look, and wow, this house is really cool. Neighbor comes over, knocks on the door. Guy I knew from high school. It was pretty funny. He lives right next door to us. And so he was like, oh, what'd you guys get it for? We told him. He's like, oh man, I should have bought the house, blah, blah, blah. So it was a good time. We've already gotten some offers on this place, and we've already had quite a few buyers come through. It is a very, very nice home. We did put it at a price that we wanted to get it sold before the end of the year, so we wanted a quick turnaround on it, and it's ready to go. If you or someone that is looking for a great home like this could be a rental property, all kinds of things. It's just off of 41, back off of Roosevelt Avenue in Mazarktown. It's in an area like on the south side of Brooksville, really close to the Pasco-Hernando County line. Roof was done back in 2016, I believe, something like that. So the roof is still good. HVAC is relatively new as well. And then we have the well system that's over here, and the mini split that was connected in for that master bedroom renovation. So looks like here is a tankless water heater, which is outside as well. So it's got all the new stuff to it. I mean, the guy did a really good job. He pulled all his permits on it and everything like that. So it's a fantastic home, and it's ready for a new owner. So if you or someone that you know is looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom that's been completely renovated and has a big old barn on it, then have them reach out to us today. You can get all my contact information at justinnoerealestate.com.